I'm Rhyse Marshall.
And I'm Emily Graham. And you're watching GVTV News, The Growl. Rawr!
Hello, Golden Valley. Welcome back. We loved you, we missed you, and we're thankful you're here.
Welcome all new freshmen.
And welcome back returning Cougars. And don't we have 15 new teachers starting this year?
I think we do. Did you know we also have almost 600 freshmen on campus?
Wow, isn't that GV's biggest class of freshmen ever?
It is. Welcome to all of those freshmen.
And don't forget to get involved. In fact, we have 2 events that you can get involved in this week.
Here's Jackie with more information.
I'm Jackie, and this is our new teacher.
Mr. Taylor.
And Mr. Taylor, what do you teach here in Golden Valley?
I'm going to be teaching Integrated Math 2.
Okay. And are you up for a little game?
Why not? Let's go.
Okay, we'll be playing 2 truths and 1 lie.
All right, I got him.
Okay, I'll guess. What do you have?
So let's see here. I am a Golden Valley graduate. I was captain of the basketball team. And in my past, I worked in China for a couple weeks as a barista.
I must say that you are not a basketball coach.
Yeah, I didn't play basketball.
Yay! Thank you so much for playing with me, and I hope you enjoy your new year here at Golden Valley.
Cougar Pride!
Hey Jackie, what's happening Friday morning at 5:15 a.m.?
We're gonna have our ABC morning rally at the gym.
And what should we wear to the rally?
Your cardinal and gold for school spirit.
Hey Jackie, when's our first football game?
This Friday.
And who are we playing?
Escalon.
Thank you, Jackie. I hope to see you all there.
And remember everybody, no cells, bell to bell. And now to Angie with This Week in History.
This week in history, famous Filipino artist Kalohe Kai released one of his most popular songs, Ehu Girl.
You set my heart on fire, and now I don't know what to do.